Fundamentally, sales calls are the backbone of your business. You want your best reps to be spending the majority of their time talking to prospects over the phone, building relationships, and ultimately closing deals. There is gold buried inside these conversations. Your sales calls will help you understand how you need to sell and what you need to do after each conversation to close that particular deal. Unfortunately, your organization is not able to tap into that data because you simply don't have it consistently recorded for every deal and contact. Either your reps don't enter that data, or that data that exists is simply stale. The gaps inside your CRM are preventing your org from running a well-oiled sales engine. 70% of key insights are buried inside your sales calls. Your reps are spending 33% of their time trying to capture all this data via data entry. Yet, 43% of all that key information is completely missing inside your CRM. Fireflies will take your sales call data and auto-enrich your CRM. You will then be able to use that data to help your team streamline processes and accelerate sales execution. The way this works is Fireflies has an engine that seamlessly ingests your reps' calls. And within the Fireflies platform, you're able to create different workflows and write rules, which will tell the system exactly what to unlock from those calls. It will take all that unstructured call data and then spit out relevant structured data that you can use to automate workflows, fill out your CRM, and complete tasks. Our platform requires zero coding, so you don't need to depend on your engineers. Sales, marketing, and ops folks can write complex rules and workflows using the building blocks provided within Fireflies. For example, I use Fireflies to build a workflow that would pull out BANT data when I ask those specific questions to prospects on my sales calls. By BANT data, I mean budget, authority, needs, timelines, next steps. So it'll be able to actually pull out a data point that says budget equals $3,000. I can then create other workflows that would route that data that I was able to extract to fill out my custom fields inside Salesforce. I wrote another workflow where whenever I said, let me send out a meeting invite, it would listen for date and time and auto-schedule the follow-up call. So if I said, let me send out a meeting invite for next Friday at 3 p.m., Fireflies will automatically be able to send that invite on my behalf via my calendar to my prospect that I'm having that call with. These are just some of the many things you can do with the Fireflies platform. We give you the tools to take your voice data and do anything you want with it. The possibilities are truly endless. I could auto-send invoices after a call or create reminders in Salesforce. I could create workflows that would save my sales reps hundreds of hours each week. We're just scratching the surface. Let's go into some of the core capabilities of the Fireflies data platform. Sales ops folks love Fireflies because it allows them to drastically improve data hygiene by 25% without making the reps do any additional work. Like I mentioned earlier, the sales team can set up workflows that extract call notes or fill out custom fields within your CRM. A lot of the day for reps is spent doing repetitive tasks over and over again. Usually there are 5 to 10 different tasks at a time that a rep has to complete after each call. This burns so much time. Now Fireflies can completely take over these repetitive tasks the moment the call ends. The reps can simply review and approve the task that Fireflies is going to complete and then move on to the next call. If we take a step back, what you'll realize is Fireflies is creating a new data stream for your entire sales and marketing organization. Your marketing org can create rules to auto-verify leads after a discovery call has been completed. We have some orgs who leverage call data to create their own custom lead scoring workflows. Right now, your team probably only prioritizes leads when they fill out forms to schedule a demo on your website. Now you can score your prospects and deals after each and every call throughout the sales journey and help your reps prioritize the right accounts each and every day. More data also means personalization. I'll make workflows to segment users after my initial call. I can even have the system create smart tags in my marketing automation system. For example, after a call, Fireflies will be able to generate tags that tell me that they're a buyer, they have budget, and they're interested in sales ops. And now I can have my marketing automation system send tailored campaigns to nurture that account, educate them, and set them up for success. Call data can also be used by the management team to get a real-time understanding of what is happening on deals. For example, I've set up a workflow where Fireflies pings me on Slack anytime my rep is discussing pricing discounts with a prospect. This way I can coach my reps immediately and help save the deal instead of waiting till after the fact and realizing we lost an important customer. Sales enablement managers can also set up their own workflows to stay in the loop and train reps faster. With Fireflies, you can push rich contextual call data to many key platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zapier, and Slack. If you want to get really ambitious, you can connect your Fireflies workflow engine with Zapier to create 5,000 different sales automation flows. The fundamental reason Fireflies exists is because we truly believe unlocking your sales calls is the key to accelerating any org's revenue engine. We're up-leveling your entire sales process from sales reps all the way up to management.